Hello, aspiring marketers. Are you still scratching your head to make the most from your lost website visitors? To achieve your objectives, are you searching for the most proven and tested strategies? Then it's time to take a breather. As of today, I am going to spill the beans on Facebook remarketing, the best way to recapture your targeted audience and convert them into loyal customers. Fascinating, right? This is just the beginning of the story. Let's check out some fascinating facts that will get you glued to it. Number 1, retargeting ads are 76% more likely to get clicks than regular display ads. Number 2, 95% of social marketers regularly use Facebook ads. Number 3, 56% of companies use remarketing to gain customers. Number 4, 1 in 5 marketers now have a dedicated budget for retargeting. Number 5, 67% of online advertisers are now using Facebook's FBX exchange for remarketing. Whoosh! These results are surely going to sweep you off your feet. And I know you're feeling lured to reap the immense benefits that Facebook remarketing holds for your business. Wait, hold on for just a second. The grass is not always green on the other side. To become successful, you need proper information that is proven and tested, as well as keeps you in good shape and saves you from losing your time and money. Don't worry, here's an easy and proven system to add this to your marketing arsenal and take your business to Cloud 9. Presenting Facebook Remarketing 2019-20 Training Guide. This step-by-step training guide will take you by the hand and help you to track and recapture targeted leads and successfully convert them into high-paying customers. With its proper use, you can present highly targeted ads to exactly the right people for a fraction of the cost. And most importantly, you'll discover crazy Facebook remarketing tricks to design winning Facebook remarketing campaigns to boost sales and profits. Plus, you don't need to be a hardcore techie to get these benefits. Even a non-tech guy can use this with no problem. Folks, it's time to break the monotony and lay your hands on this jam-packed Facebook Remarketing 2019-20 Training Guide so you can steal the spotlight from your competitors like you've always wanted. A word of caution: the price will shoot up to its original soon. I wish you a profitable and successful business ahead.